everyone. Now we will be viewing class setting. In Manage Class, you will be able to set up classes by clicking on Add Class. In Manage Section, you will be able to set up sections of the classes. In Manage Subjects, you can add all the subjects like maths, English, science, etc. and add sub-subjects like algebra, geometry, chemistry, etc. In class-wise subject management, you can allocate subjects to all the classes individually and collectively. In class allocation, you can allocate the classes to the rooms. In allocate faculty, to allocate the faculty, you need to first create teacher. For that, you can click on add teacher and fill all the details and allocate those teachers class wise. You can go to dashboard, go to employee management and add all the teachers or employees of your school. You can add other employees like accountant, peon, driver, librarian, sports teacher by clicking on add employee and add HOD or teacher by clicking on add teacher. In resignation report, you will be able to view the resignation of the employees. In employee has resigned, you can approve the resignation of the employees by clicking on the designation of that employee. In block employees, you can view the employees who has been blocked. In dispute list, you can view any complaints against any employee. In leave report, leaves taken by any employees can be viewed. In employee identity card setup, you can view and edit the ID card number of employees. In employee task, you can view the task rejected, ongoing, pending, completed, and submitted by various employees. Now we will be viewing salary module. In employee salary details, you will be able to view salary of all employees. By clicking on previous month, you can pay the salary of employees by clicking on pay salary. In employee salary receipt, you can view salary receipt and print it. Thank you so much for watching.